I want to take a moment to address something that pops up in my comments from time to time. Occasionally, I'll get someone saying I'm fake and that my mixes aren't real or that nothing is even connected. Now, I'll be honest, those comments are never nice to read, especially when you know how much work goes into track selection, preparation, and setup. So instead of arguing in the comments, I thought I'd just show you. What you're watching here is my full setup. Power cables, audio connections, and network leads, being connected exactly the way it's used when I record and perform. If you've ever noticed in some of my videos that you can't see the cables going into the mixer, that's not because nothing's connected. It's simply because I crop my video footage for clarity and aesthetics. On mixers like the Pioneer DJM-A9, digital inputs from the CDJs are on the bottom row, and those are the ones that I use. The upper inputs you might see are for analog sources like vinyl turntables. They can be used to connect CDJs with analog cables, yes, but why would I choose analog over digital quality? Especially when I've spent the cost of a small family car to buy the best equipment available. I'm a professional working DJ and these are the tools of my trade. So yes, everything is connected. Digitally, properly, and exactly as it should be. You'll also see I use network connections. This is called Pro DJ Link, allowing the CDJs and mixer to communicate, share information, and work in a single system. If you want to learn more about this, let me know in the comments and I'll record a video to help you understand how it all works. This is standard practice in modern digital DJ setups, especially in clubs and professional environments. I've been DJing a long time and I don't fake mixes. I prepare properly. If this video clears things up for newer DJs, brilliant. And if it clears things up for the keyboard warriors, even better. Thanks for watching. Now, let's get back to the music.